Hello again, folks. Shell Busey here with my On Buzzyman blog. And, well, you might wonder, well, what's the blog all about? Well, the blog tonight or today or tomorrow, whatever it is that you're watching this and listening to it right now, I have something that a lot of people are not aware of. But many years ago, I started what was called Shell Busey's Home Improvement Services. Shell Busey's Home Improvement and Renovation Services. Yes, operating right out of the office here. The gentleman that operates it and runs it, his name is Keith Araki. Many times, well, my goodness, we used to call him a son because he'd been with us for so many years. Well, he now is the owner of Shell Busey's Home Improvements and Renovations. And he makes his office right behind my office, and my office is inside his office. So if you got all that together, anything that you require done, if you require a deck, a solarium, siding, windows, kitchen cabinets, kitchen design, bathrooms, specialize in bathrooms, making bathrooms user-friendly, basement suites, outdoor additions, all of these things are items that you can go right directly to my website and go to the Shell Busey's Home Improvements, and Keith Araki is right there. Keeling Contracting, it's right there, the email address, the phone number's there. All you have to do is give us a call. I'm not talking about something started yesterday. I'm talking about something started over 30 years ago, folks. So it's something that you can use. If you're looking for a quality contractor that gets the job done right and has my name behind it and my quality of experiences in behind it, and I'll tell you, you'll never find a finer gentleman than Keith Araki and his crew. He's got his own painters. He's got his own electricians. He's got his own plumbers. He's got his own window people. All of these are items that he controls. You don't have to go here and there and everywhere to do what he has already done for you. Take the trouble out of the project. Get the job done right and on time and on budget. It is just that easy. So remember, my website, askshell.com, and click on Shell Busey's Home Improvements and Renovations. It's all there. The telephone number 604-542-2236. It is just that easy, folks. Till next time, talk to you soon.